Are you wondering if it's possible to install a lift in an old building? The short answer is yes. With modern technology and custom solutions, lifts can be installed in almost any space, whether it's a historic building, an apartment or home with a limited space, or commercial property. Retrofitting a lift could have some impact on the building structure, but how much depends on the lift type you choose. Cibes screw-driven lifts, for example, are perfect for existing buildings with up to 6 floors. Our smallest lifts only take up 1 square meter of floor space, and unlike conventional elevators, they need no extra space above or beneath the lift. That makes our lifts incredibly easy to integrate into existing homes and buildings. In contrast, conventional traction elevators and hydraulic elevators are better suited for heavy traffic. They require more space and building work and a larger investment than our screw-driven lift solutions. So yes, installing a lift in an old building is possible, but the impact depends on the lift you choose. Do you need more details? Visit our reference page to explore inspiring lift retrofits from our previous projects.